we have the unanimous choice in Rishabh Pant. Srini thinks it should be Samson, but we are outweighing him 3-1 right now on vote count. So we'll go with Rishabh Pant. Srini, you were on call then. Jamie White mentioned, and I think it was a fair assessment, that Pant has probably batted 5 and 6 where he's supposed to bat for Indian team. And Sanju Samson, because of the way both Butler and Jaiswal haven't given the kind of starts they were used to, Sanju Samson is batting more often in the power play these days. So he's getting a lot of deliveries with the fielding restrictions on. So comparing him to a number 5 position from batting at 3, I think I agree with the two gentlemen. And I also feel that Sanju Samson is a reserve keeper and Rishabh Pant has to be a number 1 keeper, just going by the position he's playing for DC. Yeah, Srini.
No, I'm fine. I mean, I don't see. So anyway, for me, Rishabh in this format, I really wouldn't be gung-ho. I would go slow, especially for a guy coming back from an injury. I would go slow. If we were discussing a test squad, if we were talking 15, I would begin the list with Rishabh Pant's name. But here, yes, take him. Fair enough. A great headline also. Everything. And I love the way, for me, it's the story of the year. But my first choice wicketkeeper will not be Rishabh. Will it be Sanju? No. But I'm saying likely that BCCI will go with Sanju. If I was here, I would go with Ishan Kishan. Why? I have my reason for it. I want a guy जिसका तो वो बोलते हैं ना थोड़ा सटका हुआ है, थोड़ा मतलब उसका तार थोड़ा हिला हुआ है. ईशान इज दैट काइंड ऑफ अ बॉय, वो पागल है और मेरे को पागल लड़का चाहिए. 4 नंबर में ना पागल चाहिए जो एक स्लॉट पकड़े और चढ़ाए. ज्यादा क्या होगा, 2 मैच नहीं चलेगा, 3 मैच नहीं चलेगा, मेरे को समझ में आ जाएगा फॉर्म नहीं है, आई ब्रिंग इन माय बैकअप विकेट कीपर. बट ये जिस दिन चल गया ना, ये 2 मैच तो खुद से निकाल के आ जाएगा, ये अकेले खुद से निकाल के आ जाएगा. ही इज दैट काइंड ऑफ अ मैड गाय एंड आई वुड लाइक सच मैड guys in my, it's like Rinku, that ये चल गया, लास्ट 1 ओवर काफी है, इसको पूरा मैच निकाल के मेरे को दे देगा ये. So it's that kind of a thing. So I would go with Ishan, but I know that these guys, this coach and all, they won't settle for Ishan. So that's why I'm settling with Sanju, and that's why I'm saying Rishabh is not going to be my first choice.
But Srini, how different is Ishan Kishan from Rishabh Pant? इनका बैटिंग ऑलमोस्ट आइडेंटिकल है.
No. They are nowhere close to each other. Rishabh Pant and Ishan Kishan are nowhere close to each other in terms of batting. Rishabh Pant needs his time to get going. Rishabh Pant is not that guy who's go and slot the ball between long off and long on mid on, like from the word go. No, Ishan is mad. He will walk out and start swinging his ball even before the first ball has been bowled.
As an opener, as an opener, middle order में he's
very short. Go back to the 2020 season of IPL. Ishan batted at number 4. Number 4. He was among the top 5 scorers that season. 570 odd runs he scored. Beautiful batting. अब आपने उसको यूटिलाइज नहीं किया उस तरीके से, वो गलती किसी और की है. The point is, he was never an opener. You pushed him to be an opener. MI, kind of, because they lost out on Quinton de Kock, that's why they wanted to make the most of Ishan's thing, and that's why they push him forward. But otherwise, he was always a middle order batsman, number 4, number 5. And to me, why I look at a guy like Ishan is he has no hang-ups. मैं उसको कल बोलूंगा बेटा जा नंबर 3 खेल लेगा, मैं बोलूंगा बेटा तू कभी तू 6 पे जाना, चला जाएगा. मैं बोलूंगा चल कल ओपन कर रहा है तू, ओके बॉस. Hungry. I need those kind of guys. So for me, Ishan would have been the perfect choice to go. But मुझे पता है राहुल द्रविड़ नहीं लेके जाएगा उसको. तो
but Srini, I agree with your hang up bit. We know this kid and we have seen him getting dropped even after scoring a double 100. But all that was prior to that tour of South Africa in December. Since December, जो आप वो वायर खिसका का बात कर रहे हो, I think a lot would be weighing on his head right now. He's without a central contract. He's suddenly out of the scheme of things.
Why? That's what we tend to overthink. Why do we tend to overthink? Why are we saying that his mind would be overweighted with options? I mean, how old is he? 23, 24?
Yeah.
Well, come on. I mean, if 23, 24, somebody's mind is overweight and we in our mid-30s are kind of thinking for him, I don't think that's the wrong thing to do. So I think young fellow, loves his cricket. I'm going by the quality of a cricketer I would like to see in this format.
Yeah.
in this format. Okay, I'm just sticking to that and
Got it.
going by what Ishan can deliver in that space. Not thinking too much. So again, ideally, in an ideal world, my choice for the first choice for a wicketkeeper batsman should have been Ishan Kishan. That's not going to happen. So again, I'm saying logic. I'm just thinking. जितेश नहीं जाएगा, ध्रुव नहीं जाएगा, और केएल मेरे हिसाब से नहीं जाएगा, और ऊपर से ओपन कर नहीं सकता. सो ये सब ध्यान में रखते हुए अगर मैं देखूं तो संजू ही दिख रहा है मुझे.
So Sanju
I can
Samson
already
and Rishabh. Yeah, Srini was
like, I
saying
can see that Jamie is like, so Dubo फिर कुछ.
No, I'm all for it. There is no basic criteria is if you're thinking outside the staple status quo, guys, and you have to pick someone, you're picking him on form. And in terms of keepers, there's no better keeper than Sanju Samson. So Samson,
Yeah.
again, Dhruv Jurel hasn't worn the gloves for 2 months. Why is he there? Jitesh ka to patta cut gaya. So it has to be Samson and Pant. है नहीं कोई और.
correct. So I think चलो ये थोड़ा discussion हमारा सबका clear cut हो गया. Sanju Samson and Rishabh Pant are our two keepers. Now let's see whether KL Rahul pulls off a last minute trick which he always has managed to do, whether it's the test recall in South Africa during the gloves. In the whites, he has managed to do such tricks. So let's see which one it comes out of his hat now before the T20 World Cup. So Rishabh Pant and Sanju Samson are our two keepers now.